Welcome to another video. Me and my Adamus. We've already actually unboxed some of this just because the kids wanted to have a go. So I thought better let them have a turn, but we'll show you anyway what we got. So we got some R32 rare 2-pot calipers for my rear brake setup because I don't have any. I thought I had some, but it's the old style Nissan brakes that were in it, not the 2-pot. Yellow Pup, come here. What? Is it from Santa? So what we got here, Pop? We got some arms, some cheesy arms.
Yeah.
We got, see what color they are. Oh, they're silver. So everything's adjustable. It's not bad color. Everything's Habib paid for. By the way, don't get too excited. This ain't free. This ain't no. Oh, my sponsors. They are my sponsors, but I paid for them. You know, Maha paid. We've got some camber arms. Well,
what's in here?
60 arms, more arms. These are gonna look so good on the car. Alright, so we've got a lower control arm, or LCA for short. So this is for where the knuckle will sit, or the drop knuckle, you know. Hopefully it's all good. And then your knuckle will sit, or you know, either way, knuckle will sit here. This will bolt onto the subframe, which is freshly Habib painted, so it'll look super good. So now we have the suspension. So I talked to Steve himself, and then we did discuss what it was for, drift car, whatever, road car. We talked about spring rates, so he hooked it up, and he asked me if I was going to put the radiator in the front or the rear of the car. I said it was going to stay in the front, just because money, stuff, blah blah blah. I don't want to do that just yet. So the fronts are running 12 kilo, I'm pretty sure, off the top of my head, last time we spoke. And the rears are running 6 kg for a bit of squat. So apparently that's what all the drifters are using anyway nowadays. So we'll run them and we'll get them adjusted and stuff later on. But look at that. Whew. So open it up, Pup. This is from the Bocane shop for hooking it up. He sent me a brand new water pump that I didn't buy. You know, Kane, you're the man, G. Nah, he sent me a water pump, a brand new water pump. To be honest, I'm not going to lie to you, I was probably just going to leave everything alone, water pump, all that, and just see what happens. But now that I've got the water pump that I didn't want, that I paid for, I might as well just go all out. I'm going to get the cam belt done now and teach it. I know I should anyway, but you know, like I say, I was trying to save a little bit of money, but it's all good. This is the water pump, brand spanking new from Toyota, genuine. Nice piece of kit. We'll have a look and might as well replace it now. We'll get rid of our old one. And what's good about it is it's come with a seal kit, and I'm actually missing one of these seals because the rubber, there's a pipe that sits here, and it's got a rubber ring inside of it, a groove. So both sides have a groove inside this little short pipe, and it's, I don't know how, but apparently it stops the water, you know, from leaking out. So I've been missing a rubber O-ring for the other one, so now I don't need it. It comes with 2 anyway. So yeah, we'll do that, but we won't do that until we got all the other bits for it. And it's come with, I've got, he also sent me brand new exhaust studs. 4 shorter and 4 longer. So this one and this one, you can see one's short, one's long. Apparently one side, maybe either the top or the bottom, I don't know yet, is longer than the other. So, and brand new genuine exhaust gaskets. So we got steel exhaust gaskets. I've already actually got some, but they've been on there for God knows how long, so I might as well replace them.
And my cupboard.
Yeah, and their cupboards, heaps of them. How many dresses you got, Pup?
3, 4, 5, 6.
6? I'm pretty sure you got more.
Yeah, more than that.
More than that?
I think that's
You got beautiful dresses, don't you? Okay. Might turn into a dress vlog. She's gonna go get a dress. So Poppy's my consultant. I gotta tell her when I want parts. She never says no. Ever. Look, Poppy, how much you love Dad? 100 million?
Yeah.
How many more car parts can I buy? How much parts are you gonna buy Dad?
3.
3? I need more than that. How about 100 million? Puppy, why are you shutting it? We haven't finished. Pup, what do we have here today, Pup? What are these called? Are they presents? From who? For Dad, but from who? Who sent them to me? Santa? Yeah, because I've been a good boy.